In today's video, we will count down 20 best self-defense gadgets that you must see. From pocket-sized protectors to high-tech guardians, these gadgets are designed to empower you in the face of uncertainty. So let's dive straight into the video. Starting with number 20, we have got Strike Light. Introducing the Strike Light, a revolution in illumination that goes beyond the ordinary flashlight. Designed for those who demand more from their lighting gear, this compact powerhouse is a game-changer in the world of portable illumination. At the heart of the Strike Light is cutting-edge LED technology, delivering an intense, focused beam that pierces through the darkness like a beacon of clarity. Number 19, Personal Alarm Siren. Imagine a device so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it can instantly grab attention in times of distress. The Personal Alarm Siren is your instant line of defense, emitting a piercing sound that cuts through the noise, making sure help is on the way. Number 18, Tactical Pen. At first glance, the Tactical Pen exudes sophistication with its polished design and high-quality construction. But don't be fooled by its elegance. This pen is engineered for versatility and practicality. It's the perfect blend of form and function, combining the power of a writing tool with the utility of a tactical implement. Whether you're jotting down notes in a meeting or navigating your way through unexpected challenges, the Tactical Pen is designed to adapt to your needs. Number 17, Zap Cane Northern Tool. The Zap Cane from Northern Tool is not your average walking stick. It's a cutting-edge self-defense device designed to provide an extra layer of security while offering the support and stability of a traditional cane. With just a simple press of a button, this cane transforms into a formidable tool for personal protection, giving you the ability to defend yourself from potential attackers. Number 16, Lifeguard 22. At first glance, the Lifeguard 22 appears to be a mere card holder, fitting seamlessly into your pocket or wallet. However, with a flick of your wrist, it transforms into a fully functional single-shot caliber pistol, a game-changer in discreet personal defense. Number 15, Pepper Spray. Introducing our powerful and compact pepper spray, a pocket-sized guardian that empowers you to take control of your personal safety. Compact yet mighty, our pepper spray is crafted with precision to deliver a powerful burst of oleoresin capsicum formula, incapacitating potential threats and providing you with a valuable window of opportunity to escape harm. Number 14, Paracord Core. In the realm of self-defense, the Paracord Core transforms from a simple cord into a versatile ally, ready to unleash its protective prowess at a moment's notice. At its core, quite literally, the Paracord is a powerhouse of resilience. Woven within its strands lies a tensile strength that defies the odds. Number 13, Gotcha Cap. At first glance, it's just a stylish cap, but hidden within its unassuming design is a powerful secret. The Gotcha Cap is equipped with a concealed pocket, perfect for discreetly storing small essentials, providing you with a covered edge. Number 12, Mini Pocket Coin Folding Camping. Introducing the Mini Pocket Coin Folding Camping Tool, a compact and versatile gear that's small in size but big in functionality. Unfold the Mini Pocket Coin, and you'll be amazed at the array of tools tucked away in this compact wonder. Number 11, Shadow Works Shirt. Introducing the Shadow Works Shirt. More than just fabric and stitching, it's a statement of stealth, style, and functionality. Designed for those who appreciate the art of blending in while standing out, this shirt is your cover companion in the urban jumble. Number 10, CRKT Knife. This isn't just a blade. It's a precision instrument engineered for those who demand more from their tools. From the razor-sharp edge to the ergonomic handle, every element is designed for optimal performance. Number 9, Self-Defense Keychain. Small in size but mighty in impact, the Self-Defense Keychain is your everyday companion, ready to transform into a tool of protection at a moment's notice. It's the perfect blend of subtlety and strength. Number 8, Belt Buckled Knife. The Belt Buckled Knife is more than just a fashion accessory. It's a versatile utility tool. With a quick-release and a reliable folding mechanism, it transforms from a sleek buckle to a practical knife, always within arm's reach when you need it. Number 7, Bola Wrap. The Bola Wrap stands out as an innovative remote restraint device designed to capture targets from a safe distance. It uses a specially designed bola, which is a combination of Kevlar cords and weights, to entangle and restrict the movement of an individual without causing permanent harm. Number 6, Self-Defense Ring Stainless. The stainless steel self-defense ring boasts a discreet yet robust construction ready to transform into a tool of self-defense when needed. It's the embodiment of subtlety meeting strength, ensuring you have a hidden advantage in the palm of your hand. Number 5, Shoes Knife. Crafted for the urban adventurer, the Shoes Knife seamlessly integrates a concealed blade into the sole, ensuring that your every step is one of both style and readiness. It's the perfect fusion of fashion and function. Number 4, Taser Pulse. The Taser Pulse utilizes electroshock technology to incapacitate potential threats. It delivers a high-voltage, low-amperage electrical charge to temporarily disrupt the body's neuromuscular system, causing involuntary muscle contractions and incapacitating the target. Number 3. Portable Door Lock. Designed with travel and personal safety in mind, the portable door lock is your reliable companion for hotel rooms, urban accommodations, or any space where you want an additional barrier to unauthorized entry. It's compact, lightweight, and easily fits into your luggage or purse. Number 2. Combat X-Claw. The X-Claw's design seamlessly blends form and function with an ergonomic grip that ensures a natural extension of the hand, promoting fluid movements and precise strikes. Its low-profile silhouette conceals a deadly secret, a retractable set of razor-sharp claws inspired by the swift and lethal precision of big cats. Number 1. Paintball Revolver. The Paintball Revolver boasts a timeless design reminiscent of the legendary six-shooters from days of yore. With a sleek, polished frame, a rotating cylinder, and a fought-wood grip, it captures the essence of classic firearms. However, don't be fooled by its vintage appearance. This revolver is packed with the latest paintball technology for unparalleled performance. That's gonna be all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this.